space, we just say throw it away. I don't care about the white space. When I'm understanding a sentence, I don't think hello space there, do I? I think hello there, right? Computer works the same way. If we had to consider those spaces, we'd have to worry about all the possible places spaces could be. Take it further. Think about comments. If I had to consider comments, between every possible word I could have a comment, right? I don't want to do that. I want to just throw it away. So the lexer does a little bit of housekeeping up front, simplifies things. So all we're left with are these words. The words then go into something called a parser. The parser structures those words into sentences and finds out meaning behind them. Typically what that parser is going to do is arrange these into something called an abstract syntax tree, or an AST. So you might have, if you're thinking of a computer program, you might have a top level node that represents the program. Underneath there might be nodes for classes. Underneath them, there might be nodes for methods and fields. In the method, there might be nodes for statements, and you could keep going down and down and down and so on. And so this structure is what the parser determined makes sense when it saw that sequence of tokens. We call these tokens in compiler terms. Once you have that structure, you can then traverse it however you want to do something. Maybe you're generating code, maybe you're looking for data, maybe the only task you're doing is list all the names of the methods. You build this structure, walk down and say method, 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 print out the names. If you're generating code, you're probably going to do quite a bit more. You're going to walk through this tree, figure out what the data is, and write some code based on that. So after the parser, you typically have code generation of some sort or another. Okay, but you don't have to. You could do some stuff in memory if you just wanted to dump method names, for example. Okay, so that's the basic structure that we're going to be dealing with. The first thing we need to worry about is how do we convert from characters into words?